come check out this lithium dual battery system we've done on this Y62 with Inverter, Manager30 and all the works. Come check it out. For the charging side of things in this one, they've actually gone with the Redarc Manager30, mainly for a couple of reasons. First one is that they also wanted the ability to charge via 240 volts, so they plug into shore power. They can charge batteries up that way if they're not using the vehicle for a while. Obviously they have the built-in DC-DC charger, but the main reason they went with the Manager30 is actually because they have the built-in battery monitor, so they can really accurately see how much power they're using and how much power they're putting back into the system. Mounted over here in what was the cup holders for the third row, we've got our own custom-made laser cut bracket, which holds 2 Anderson plugs and 4 sockets of your choice. So you can go whatever sockets you like, whether it be angle sockets, USB-A, USB-C, just your standard 12 volt SIG, anything that's standard round size, we can fit in there. Makes a really nice, neat install and not having to clutter the back of the vehicle up too much. We've also installed the ARB twin cylinder compressor. Compressor itself is mounted under the false floor as well, so it's completely out of sight, out of mind. You don't have to look at it. The only thing you do see is this nice little chuck recessed into this panel up here, and the switch itself is mounted on the front of the drawer panel next to the Manager30 screen, where it's really easily accessible. Hidden behind this panel is a switch which controls a locker override kit that the customers supplied, which means that they can actually flick this switch and engage the factory rear e-locker in high range or low range. So they have the versatility of having that locker locked in whenever they want it to be. So the components are mounted behind here. Obviously the Enerdrive 2000 watt inverter with the built-in RCD switch, the Manager30 screen, which I spoke before, hidden in there, along with the ARB compressor switch, and also the switch for the Cel-Fi Go. So the Cel-Fi Go unit itself, we've mounted underneath the drawer on a little panel under there. The Cel-Fi Go's are a really great unit. They help by amplifying a really poor or very little cellular signal. So fantastic in remote areas where you're driving through and there's dropouts. It helps keep a more consistent cellular range for your phone, and also gives you better data speeds in those really poor reception areas as well. Mounted over here on the bull bar on the supplied tube clamp is the antenna for the Cel-Fi Go, and this is what's going to get you all the good cellular range which the Cel-Fi boosts. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, check out our Y62 playlist with more builds like this, and YouTube thinks you should watch this video down here.